Starting with hair care, this is what my hair looks like after I took the braids out, and I had them braids in for like 4 weeks. But I'm gonna be using the Aunt Jackie's shampoo and deep conditioner. Right now I'm just putting the shampoo in my hair, and my hair was like really soaked and wet and stuff, and I decided to do it like this because people like to judge other people that wash their hair in the sink. So I washed my hair in the sink, and I didn't want to record it because I know people was gonna talk about it, so I just did it like this. I personally feel like there's nothing wrong with washing your hair in the sink. I rinsed it out, and now I'm using this brush that I got from Family Dollar, and I'm using this to detangle my hair. That I noticed about this shampoo is that it is not anti-shrinkage. The shampoo that I was using before was the unnatural anti-shrinkage shampoo, and that one really worked. But first time using this one, I noticed that it wasn't anti-shrinkage. But now I'm just applying the deep conditioner after detangling my hair, and this is how I applied a deep conditioner. I know people do it different ways, but this is how I do it. Now I'm just detangling my hair after applying the deep conditioner, so it won't be like clumpy or tangled. Also, if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Jasmari, and I make beauty and lifestyle content. If you're interested, make sure you subscribe, and if you're not new, then welcome back to another video. Moving on to skincare, I'm using this cleanser, and this is what it looks like. This is my first time using this cleanser, and it feels like butter when you put it on your face, and it didn't really lather up that much. It's a okay cleanser. After I washed off the cleanser, I'm using this mask, and it's like a clay mask. It reminds me of a clay mask because a couple years ago when I had my Etsy glam bag, I got a face mask that was similar to this one, but I do like this one. So now I'm using this lip mask, and this is what it looks like. But it was pretty like easy to put on, and I had to adjust it a little bit, but it was pretty good, and I let it sit on my lips for 10 minutes, I think.
No, 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 no.
Now I'm applying moisturizer and I'm using the e.l.f. hydrating moisturizer. I like to try different like skincare products to see what I like and what works best for me. Last but not least, the gel manicure. So starting off with a blank canvas, and this is what my nails look like. So I'm gonna be using a cuticle pusher and this like nail gel that I got from Family Dollar. You can get it from any dollar store, but it takes like 2 batteries, I think AA batteries, and it comes with like gel bits or whatever, like simple ones. And I'm gonna be using a hand file. So I'm starting off by pushing back my cuticle. And now I'm using the Modessa nail gel, and I like to use this for like cleaning under the cuticles and like getting the dead skin from under the cuticles and stuff. It works pretty good. I did this previously, so that's why you don't really see any dead skin like falling from under my nail. So now I'm using the hand file to like shape my nails and shape them how I want because they was looking uneven and a mess. Now I'm removing the shine from my nails and I'm using the soft side of the hand file. So now I'm gonna be using these 3 nail polishes by LA Colors, and I wanted to do like a pattern with the like nudish pink and the white and the bright pink. So after that, I took some acetone and put it in a dapping dish and got a little brush and wiped around my like cuticle area and sidewalls. And this is how my nails turned out, and they look pretty cool. I wanted to do something like summery. So yep, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a like down below, and if you want to see a part 2, get this video to 10 likes and follow me on my social media, and I'll see you guys on my next video.